What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevy Impala remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2006 to 2016 Chevrolet Impala, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching at the end of the screwdriver. And if your remote is a bit worn, that notch can be a little tough to see, but it is there. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch like that, push it in, and then just carefully pry the remote apart. And once we pull it open, we can see the battery in the back half of the case right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that little holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.